कौन?
सर दिल्ली बहुत बुरा मार रही है। दिल्ली बहुत बुरा मार रही है।
सर आज रक्षित भैया नहीं दिख रहे।
आ जाएंगे, अभी कहाँ जाएंगे? अभी तो कई सारे नहीं दिख रहे।
अनुज भैया आ गए।
अभी तो कई सारे नहीं दिख रहे।
हाँ सर, बहुत छोरे छोरी नहीं आए।
चलो, so today we are having a Saturday, and you know what happens here on Saturdays. We have only speaking session, and all have to speak other than the students of the newest batch. That is, we have B23, but they also should try to speak on anything about mother, about father, about themselves. One sentence, two sentence, three sentence. But it is clear that one day you all, means the students of the newest batch, if they keep stay with me, they will definitely speak like you, like the senior students. So today we have a topic of speaking that what are the necessities of a living being or a living creature. It may be any animal or any human being or anyone else. But I haven't told you that today's topic.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं
Why
सर।
do you take such steps so early without telling the topic? You have started giving your names.
सर सबसे पहले गौरव जितेंद्र चीटिंग करता है।
What is this here? So let me speak the topic of today. Without question paper, you have started solving the question paper in your answer sheets. This is very great thing here. Your idea, your guess is very strong. Very good. So my dear friends, today you have to focus that what are the necessities for a living being, and then you can compare it with human being. If you think that a man or woman or a human being has something else rather than the animals or birds, so you can also talk about it. And then at last you have to tell that how can we keep ourselves healthy, fit and fine. What are the ways that we must follow for our well-being? So I think
Sir,
that topic is clear to you all. Yes.
sir, we will define that the difference between animals and humans.
No, you
And
need not
secondly,
need not define the difference. But what are the necessities of for human beings and what are the necessities of animals? If you find any difference between them, then you can tell it additionally, and then you can say that what steps should we take, what steps should be taken to improve or to remain or to keep our health well. So I think the topic is clear to you all. And Rohit Yadav, Harsas, what is this Harsas?
सर गलती से जे लिख दिया था एच की
Chaliye,
जगह।
okay, so we are starting with Harsh, and all will listen to Harsh carefully. And the students of B23, if they are new, they must try to speak on anything. Okay, tell about your name, your school, your class, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences. So now we are starting with Harsh. Come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsha. Today I'm going to tell you about. I cannot just tell the topic in one word because it is too long. So I will just start my speaking. So first of all, sir, told us to speak with the similarities and what are the common necessities of a human being and animals. So the common necessities may be water, food, shelter for all. And because without these are the simple necessities for all the living beings on the earth, not only humans and animals. Even microorganisms want their shelter and something to eat and drink. And if anyone lags behind it, then he cannot survive in this world. As the main thing you require is energy, and you will get energy from sleeping, eating, and drinking. And the one more necessity is there for man. Man includes all the human beings. So they have they are different from animals because they have knowledge, skills, and they have human resource. And one necessity that they require more is clothes. As animals have their own natural clothes like fur on their bodies for protecting them from extreme summer or winters. Large eyelids in the ears, in the eyes, which protect their eyes from extreme conditions. So in this way, every animal has his or her own abilities, or we can say capability to survive at an area where he or she is living.
Hmm.
Where it is living. But human beings do not have anything that can protect them from extreme conditions of the world,
Hmm.
like extreme heat, extreme coldness, etc. So humans have designed some objects of wools which we call them clothes. Which and if there is winter in our area, then we wear more woolen clothes. And if there is a summer in our area, then we wear the clothes. We wear the light clothes. So this is the common necessity difference between man and human being. And
Hmm.
now the second point is how can we be healthy? So for this, the best concept that introduced in the world is meditation or yoga. It is because it helps our body to develop it in all sense, mentally, physically,
Hmm.
and emotionally also.
Hmm.
If you are doing meditation properly, then you can be emotionally connected not only to others but also to yourself.
Hmm.
You can understand your emotions and control them. Like there are person in the world who do not need clothes on their body to protect them from any harsh conditions, because whenever we feel cold, our brain sends signals to our body that we need to wear clothes. But they have their such a control on their body because of meditation and yoga that they have surpassed this limit. And we can find these these persons with special power in a large amount in India, not anywhere else.
Hmm.
And the second is Vedic science, or we can say medicines.
Hmm.
It all consists of herbs, plants, and all the things that we find in our surrounding that are useful to us for maintaining our health.
Hmm.
And they have no risk, but only disadvantage they contain is that they take time. But the time is useful as the time comes out to be clearly getting rid of the disease.
Hmm.
But it is not the same the case with artificial antibiotics that are running nowadays.
Hmm.
They cure us from outside, but our inside body is still damaged, and we need something good enough to cure it from inside. So we should keep these points in our mind before doing anything or any work. That's it.
Shabash, very good. Nice presentation, nice explanation. But be careful regarding grammar points. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, your explanation was very nice. Keep it up, Shabash beta. Yes, come on, Harshit. Harshit is the oldest student. And after Harshit, Rakshit, and then Harsh, these are the oldest students. I think they have been with me here for 4 years or 5 years. So, nice presentation. Harsh, come on, Harshit. I'm not able to see you where you are. Harshit. Oh, I think,
Par.
yes, where you are. Harshit.
Sir, par.
पार नहीं आ जाएगा वो. Yes, come on now, Gaurav. Till then, you may come and take your turn. Yes, come on, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is the necessity of a living being. So, the necessity of a living being is simple. It's food, water, shelter, and just this. And also, if you compare this to a human being, necessity, you will see a difference. Human necessity is food, water, shelter, education, and entertainment
Hmm.
if needed.
Hmm.
So, why this includes the like, requirements of human being recu- uh, includes education and entertainment because
Hmm.
our mind can't sit bored. Our mind is is a very complex thing that needs entertainment or
Hmm.
something to do every time,
Hmm.
and it needs to learn. So that's why we need education to learn and fulfill our cu- curiosity, and also entertainment to not get bored. And and obviously the base first three are just simple, that we need shelter to survive,
Hmm.
we need food
Hmm.
and water for nutrients. So that's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Nice. Very good. And Harsh, you may call Rohit. He may also join with us on Saturdays. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Rohit.
Good
Yes,
evening,
yaar,
sir.
beta, you can write your name, yaar. You
Yes,
may
sir.
come with us on Saturdays because that day your time doesn't clash with your online class.
Yes, sir.
So okay, now come on, Arshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moore, and today's my topic is the basic needs of human beings and how we may keep ourselves fit. So, first of all, it must be clear to us that every organism to survive must have some basic needs, just like food, nutrition, and many things which are required by them for the process of making food and to have food and to keep their body fit and nourished. And also, they need many nutritions which are also common for all the human beings and the and all the living organisms. And we also know very well that without nutrition, any plant, any living organism, or anyone can't survive.
No one
And
can't survive भी कह सकते हैं ना.
yes, sir,
हाँ.
no one can't survive.
Hmm.
And it must be clear to us that to survive on this world, everyone needs nutrition. And also, there are certain things which are required by especially human beings, just like uh, the clothes, because they can't keep their body open, because their
Hmm.
body may be harmed by the nature, because sometimes it's too cold, or sometimes it's too hot.
Hmm.
And these consequences may be sometimes on human body.
Hmm.
And to keep human body fit, there are certain things which we must apply on our body, just like having nutrition, and just like we must have the food which contains much nutrition. And we must also care about our bones, our skin, and also all the components that we are consisting of.
Hmm.
And we must know that what we require, which type of vitamin we require, and what type of nutrition we require,
Hmm.
so that we may be able to fulfill all those needs, and we may be fit. So, by keeping these points in mind, it must be clear to us that what are the basic requirements of the organisms, and what we require extra rather than the organisms. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा. Very good बेटा. Very good. Nice flow. Keep it up बेटा. शाबाश. And now Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic is what are the basic necessities of a human being. So, as it is considered that the what to say,
Hmm.
most lucky being on earth is a human being because it has because a human being has extraordinary mindset and capacity of thinking infinitely and we so as we are given the as we were given human birth and we are talking about human beings, so it must be clear that why are we why do we why we are born. So it may be different purposes for anyone. So what are the basic needs of a human life? So first of all, there must be in a human being there should be a self manners like what to say, like be be punctual in your actions, be moral in your actions, be creative in your actions, no matter what, who are seeing you or whom by whom you are being seen.
Hmm.
So it doesn't matter. Be the best in your actions. And the second that comes is safety and security. We need a robust health, employment, I would say land like property or family or social relationships or social power to be a good social creature in a society. And we the basic that everyone is expressing the needs which are physiological, means physical needs. So the physical needs of a human being are food, health, water, breathing, sleep. These are the needs that our body requires.
Hmm.
And a human being also needs friends, family, uh, intimacy, and sense of connection
Shabash, very good. Huh?
with different ones. So, as a human purpose is not to being materialistic or because materialism uh, is not limited. It's deeper and deeper and deeper. So we should focus on self improvement, on meditation, on yoga, and on inner peace. That's it, sir.
Shabash, beta. Very good, beta. Nice expression. Keep it up, beta. Yes. Mahalakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is what are the basic natures of human being and animals. And as you know that food, air, and shelter are are equal for human being and also animals because they need this thing and and human being also need education and how to communication others but
Communicate
how to communicate others but
with
the
others. Huh?
animals
Bol, beta, bol.
but the animals don't need to to this thing because they have also own language and I think that human beings advance rather than birds and animals because because human beings have to work for their earning
Hmm.
for their livelihood
Hmm.
and
Hmm. Shabash,
they
shabash. Hmm.
they do hard work and and animals don't need don't need education and they need only food and shelter and as you know that human beings human beings remain in society so they have to they have to communicate with different type of people
Shabash. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
and and as you know that human beings have to wear clothes but the animals don't wear clothes they have own fur and their fur protect them many disasters and
From
many
many disasters, बेटा.
from many things and and human human beings have capacity to think about many things and they can understand many things but the animals don't understand and because of education and human beings always advance in 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 the world and as you know that birds have
Own नहीं
own
own. Own.
own
हाँ.
yes sir own importance and and they don't depend anything they they have to work hard for eating and for protect themselves from many things and I think both are important in the world. That's it, sir.
शाबाश। अरे आज तो तूने पता था क्या तेरे को पहले से ही?
No, sir.
आज
नहीं
एकदम
पता था।
फोकस्ड होके बोला है तूने, बिल्कुल एकदम चिपक गई जैसे टॉपिक पे आके। ऐसे ही होना
हाँ
चाहिए
सर।
बेटा। अपना अपना जो है ना, कोई बात नहीं, सब बढ़िया है, कोई प्रॉब्लम। वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस बेटा, शाबाश। आए अंजू मैडम, कहीं दिख रही है किसी को?
सर
भाई मेरे को तो दिख नहीं रही कहीं। दिख गई, दिख
हमें
गई।
हुई यहाँ।
आजा 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 आजा, दिख गई मेरे को, दिख गई। आजा बेटा।
Yes. So
Yeah.
hello everyone, my name is Anjali and my today's topic is human being necessities. Human being necessities and compared to a normal animal. So a human needs
Hmm.
education, shelter, food,
Hmm.
and mobile.
मोबाइल,
Internet.
ओके, मोबाइल, इंटरनेट, ओ नेसेसिटीज है। वेरी गुड। हाँ मैडम बोलिए।
No, there are only four necessities. This one is mobile, which internet is a normal necessity that it needs
हम्म
for calling. And so these are the necessities of a normal human being. So a animal wants shelter, shelter, and shelter, food.
हम्म
Shelter and food, shelter and food, animal necessity. So, animal don't need education. They don't need phone. They don't need the thing that we have.
हम्म
They only need shelter and food. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। ऐसे फोकस रहा कर थोड़ा सा, समझ गई ना? यस, नाउ ऋत्विक, ऋत्विक फ्रॉम B23, कम ऑन।
Good morning, my name is Ritvik. Today, good evening, my name is Ritvik. Today I am talk about the basic requirements of animals and human beings. The basic requirement of animals is food, shelter, and a good environment. And the basic requirements from human beings are clothes, food, and proper shelter, like home. When animals can not think properly, but humans can think properly. So human have a fast thinking time.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश।
Yeah, humans can do many things, but animals cannot. So animals animals find their food by their own, and human beings grow the food. Human beings require clothes, but animals don't.
शाबाश शाबाश। कैरी ऑन बेटा, वेरी गुड।
Animals live in jungles and humans live in a home. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। ऐसे कोशिश किया करो बस। वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा। एंड नाउ आदित्य।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and today's our topic is
प्रभु ऑडिबल नहीं हो आप। थोड़ी सी आवाज बढ़ा लें अपनी।
सर आवाज सही आ रही है।
अरे हमको तो नहीं आ रही, तेरे को तो आ रही होगी।
सर
हाँ बोल।
हाँ सर। So today's our topic is the basic needs of animals and human beings.
हाँ
And as we all know that human beings need uh, food, shelter, education, and so many other things to survive on the earth. But animals can survive without these things, and 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 we can't imagine that an animal can survive without needs any, and animals can't make food by 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 himself, but human beings can make food by 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 uh, by their knowledge and about the understanding of these things, and and a human being can and a human being know what is a subject, how can we learn, how can we solve their things, but animal can't do this thing. But and they can't speak our language. They only create their other voice, and they and I don't want, and sorry, I am always see any animal, so they so they so they uh, so they push their tail, and 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 they and bark on me. I am always think that he or she say anything to me, and I am and human beings, they can communicate any each other, and when they want to help with each other, yes, sir. And then they want to help any person, so they help, so that person help them, and it is very nice thing. And in serious problem, animals can uh, s- uh, can can save their owner to help them.
by helping them.
And I am always uh, and we and and what I can say, it is the matter of before it is a it is I don't know that we are not human beings in the ancient times. In the ancient time, we are only an animal, but we develop our things, but animal can't do that thing because they can't understand that, because because I think I think about some reasons they can't do that things, etc. But now I can say now I can say that now some animals like cat, they can do so many incredible things which things human beings cannot do, and that's it, sir.
ओके, थोड़ा सा ग्रामर पे फोकस करोगे बेटा? ग्रामर पे थोड़ा सा सुनना, अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग अभी बहुत सारी चीजें पता चलेंगी आपको, है ना? बाकी तो अच्छा है, अब आपका डर वर तो सब खत्म हो गया, एजिटेशन भी खत्म हो गया, अब थोड़ा सा ग्रामर पे थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है बेटा, है ना? रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना अपनी, केवल अपनी तो सुनना ही सुनना आप, है ना बेटा? यस, एंड नाउ रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the topic, that is what are basic necessities and how we can keep ourselves fit. So, as you all know that every organism on this planet has his or her or its own basic needs, and basic needs are very important to live in this world or on this earth. Like we know that for most of the organisms, the basic necessities are common, like food, water, shelter, and clothing. But we humans are special. We have we not only have these all basic needs, but also we have other basic needs. Like we can take education, because we know that in ancient time we all the organisms had common basic needs, because there is no need of other basic needs. But as the development of human took place, there came other basic needs also, now humans have basic needs such as food, water, shelter, and clothing. And also they need a job for earning their livelihood. They need education for living in this world. And there are also many basic needs. And there is also a factor that makes makes new basic needs, that is the social expectations. The new basic needs have come through our social expectations. Like we need this thing in this world, so this has become our basic need. Like electronic gadgets have also become our basic needs in today's time. And human cannot live for long without electronic gadgets, because they have become a part of our life. So we can see that the number of basic needs is not fixed. It gets increased day by day, and depending on the situation. And animals and also we are humans, so we can get basic needs from our nature, and we can also make basic needs for ourselves. But this is not the case for animals like a cow, dog, etc., because they do not know how to make clothes and how to cook food. So nature has made a different plan for them. Like they get hairs, they get hair on their skin, so that so that they are safe from cold and hot weather. And they also have a fur. And and there are many advantages animals get for protecting them in this on this planet. And on this planet. So and to make a human or a animal or any living being fit, we also need some things. We need basic necessities. Like we know that we are humans, we need we can make ourselves fit by getting proper nutrition from healthy foods, and healthy food, and by proper sleep, by doing exercise, by doing our daily work on time, and by also getting entertainment. There are different ways by which we can make ourselves fit. And by seeing the current situation, that what is happening in this world, it has become very important that one should keep himself or herself fit. Like we know that the temperature is increasing day by day, the climate is becoming the climate is getting changed day by day. Like we know that before there was less hot in summers in India, but now India has become the hottest country of the world.
Yes.
So in this time, it is very important to keep ourselves fit, so that we can tackle ourselves against this hot weather, and we can be safe in this hot summer season. And so we should take many precautions to keep ourselves fit. And we should try to make we should try to live happily. That's it, sir.
Very good. शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, very good यार. Now Arushi, yes, from B23. Come on Arushi, शाबाश बेटा.
Good evening, sir. My topic is myself. My name is Arushi.
हाँ बेटा, बोल बेटा, आराम से, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, बोल बेटा.
My topic is myself. My name is Abhishekina. I live in Jaipur. My school name is Stanford Global Academy. My father name is a Christian Meena. My father is a policeman. My mother name is Hansi Meena. My mother is a homemaker. I have three sisters. My hobby is badminton. I want to become a doctor.
हाँ,
My
शाबाश.
favorite subject is science, but I don't like Sanskrit.
हम्म, हम्म, हम्म,
I read class 7th.
हम्म.
I study in class 7th.
हम्म, हम्म.
I also enjoy listening to music.
शाबाश शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. बोल बेटा, शाबाश. कोशिश करे ऐसी. वेरी गुड. हाँ, ऐसी आएगा बेटा, सबको ऐसी आएगा. बोलो बेटा.
I like spending time with my family.
ओके, शाबाश. लास्ट में बोलना चाहिए दैट्स इट. शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा. ऐसी कोशिश किया करो बेटा, है ना. वेरी गुड. शाबाश बेटा. यस, कम ऑन खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Gujar. I am telling about difference of animals and human needs. You know very well, everyone has feelings and food, oxygen, shelter. These things are important for all. Animals don't speak, but they feel pain like 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 just us. Humans use their brain to solve any problems, but uh, but animals can do this, and humans make buildings, hospitals, schools for their comfort.
शाबाश बेटा,
But
बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. नाइस. यस, बोल बेटा,
but
ऐसी बोला करो बिल्कुल. हाँ,
always adjust in a nature,
हाँ.
and the earth needs animals for balance of environment,
वेरी गुड. हाँ.
and and all animals always help humans, like cow give us milk, bees give us honey, and dog securities our home.
शाबाश 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 शाबाश.
And the animals live in a forest nature without any job and money.
बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे बोला कर बिल्कुल मस्त हो गया बेटा. शाबाश.
Humans can't live in a cities without job and money.
वेरी गुड.
And without animals, animals helps in many things, like small animals help in a grow plants, and and without animals we are nothing, because in a and but animals have feelings, and they have their own language, and they understand to each other.
हाँ, बहुत
And
बढ़िया. हाँ.
humans have language and different type of language, like English, Hindi, Marathi, etc. And and animals uh, animals don't understand right and wrong, but humans understand right and wrong. And humans needs education. Without education, humans uh, can't do nothing.
Can do nothing.
Can do nothing. And animals are very important for humans. That's it.
शाबाश. ऐसे बोला कर. अब बिल्कुल एकदम फ्री होके फिर ऐसे बोला कर चीजों के बारे में, है ना बेटा? बस यही है मेन चीज, और कुछ भी नहीं होता है बेटा। बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा। यस रोहित। रोहित।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
और बेटा सैटरडे को तो आ ही
Hello,
जाएगा,
good
तू
evening,
सैटरडे में
everyone.
क्या दिक्कत है, आजा बोल।
Yes, sir.
हम्म।
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav. Today I'm going to tell you about basic needs of a human. So as you all know that we are human beings, and also not for human beings, but also for many for other organisms. There are always some basic needs which they require to stay alive. As we are humans, I will talk mostly about humans. So our most of the people who are barely earning and don't get and are able to earn only a little and feed only once in a day. So for them staying alive by eating good food is a basic need. And for poor people, the basic need is the food, shelter, and a little bit education.
शाबाश।
But this is the basis changes as the standard of living and the economic conditions of a person changes. Like for a rich person, the basic conditions, like for rich person, if he does not have any car or any type of luxurious thing, that things are his basic need. But for a human who is barely earning is living, for him the basic needs is shelter, food, and education. So for as you talk about animals, the basic needs of animals is to get food, because they don't because as they are not as they don't they are not able to speak, so don't they are not able to speak, so they do not require any job or something to stay alive. So they
शाबाश शाबाश।
feed by
हाँ।
just roaming here and there, and that is their basic need, to feed and to eat something and stay alive.
हम्म।
But in nowadays, as you can see, that the basic needs for human beings have become only money. They think that only money can satisfy all the needs, but they don't know that if we have only the money, then money is not sufficient for all the works we require to stay alive. So basic needs does not mean that money is the basic need. Money is a way to achieve all those basic needs. So in last, I want to say that always believe in not just dealing with your basic needs, but always enjoy your life. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। जब भी क्लास से फ्री हुआ करो तब आ जाया करो बेटा। जब भी वहां के उस क्लास से फ्री हो ना, कभी कभी ऐसा हो कि भाई वहां क्लास नहीं है तुम्हारी, आ जाया करो अर्श के साथ में बेटा, ठीक है ना? यस नाउ
Yes, sir.
वैष्णवी।
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi. Today our speaking session, and our topic is basic needs of uh, humans and animals. You know that both humans and animals have basic needs like food, water, shelter, and sleep. So you know that food is very important both in humans and animals, and it provides energy and nutrition. And water is very essential, and it keeps the hydration.
हाँ हाँ।
And oxygen is very important, needed for breathing and respiration. And
शाबाश शाबाश।
you know that shelter is very important because it protects from harsh weathers and bad weathers, also bad climates. And sleep is very important because it repairs the mental recovery, and it repairs the cells also. And you know that in human education is very important, because without education we can't express our view, and we can't communicate to each others. And language is very important. You know that animals not speak language because they have no because they have no their
They have their own
own
language,
language, like
they speak, but in their own
they
language.
speak also.
Yes, but they're in their own language.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And it is a very important and you know that humans needs are very important, and education is very important, and you know that education is the most weapon power which can be uh, which can use the to change the world, and at last I want to say that require basic needs are very important in both these. Thank you sir, that's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, आज तो बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट दिखा तेरे अंदर। बस करते रहो बेटा प्रैक्टिस, और सुना करो जरूर अपना क्या कैसा बोला है आपने। यस सिमरन,
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा।
Everyone, I am Simran, and today's topic, what's need of human beings and other living things. And you know as well, every living things and human beings want a lot of things, and they their they want they wants a lot of things, and they I think they also want foods for the foods and water and shelter and etc. For the living on the earth, and human beings a human beings a major animal on the earth, because he is an extraordinary being, and human beings need education and many other things,
शाबाश बेटा, ऐसे बोल बेटा, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से बोला कर बेटा। हाँ।
and education is the most important, because with the education they grow, and they earn money, and money is the source of uh, buying
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ बोल 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 बोल, अच्छा है, बोल बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं। हाँ
many fundamental things,
शाबाश,
and
तसल्ली से
with
बोला
the
कर। हाँ
money human purchase only their needed things, but
नेसेसरी थिंग्स। हाँ हाँ, नीडेड थिंग्स
necessary
चलेगा। हाँ
things,
कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा बेटा, बोल।
but human can't purchase social connection
शाबाश,
with
बहुत बढ़िया।
money.
हाँ
And the major need of human social connection. With social connection, I mean human being
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, ऐसे बोलना चाहिए, बोल बेटा। हाँ
communication, and they tell to each other, and human being also need love and connection and emotion.
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ
Without family and friends, human can't uh, can't imagine that can't imagine because without their family friends, he suffering, I think, mental problem, and when he has their family and he has their friends, I मतलब
शाबाश शाबाश, घबरा मत, बिल्कुल भी बिल्कुल मत घबरा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, ऐसे ही बोलना चाहिए, बोल बेटा। हाँ
there he share his problems with their friends and um, he shared his he shared his many things with their family with his family and uh, mm, on the earth uh, uh, there are living many animals and they are the humble of each other because animal they are a biological chain. Without it, uh, any living things can't survive
एक मिनट,
on the
नो लिविंग बीइंग कैन सर्वाइव, ऐसे भी नेगेटिव बना सकते हैं ना,
no living can't survive
काइंट नहीं
on the
आएगा ना, अब तो कैन ही आएगा ना, नो तो उधर बना दिया ना अपन ने, नो लिविंग बीइंग कैन सर्वाइव,
on the earth
यस आगे बोल बेटा। हाँ
and that's it.
शाबाश, ऐसे बोला कर बेटा, आप तो मजा आता है तो बोलती है, तो ये सब प्रैक्टिस से आता है बेटा, सब कोशिश करते रहो बेटा, बस है ना। यस, गिव योर बेस्ट ऑलवेज। बाकी के लोग नाम लिखो भाई, अरे आर्यन भाई कुछ तो बोल दे, अब तो देख आरुषि बोल गई, और अब रौनक को बुलवा रहा हूँ, अभी ये तो बोल ही रहा है वो भोपाल वाला भैया, और आज तो कौन बचा है, अब तुम दो ही तो बचे हो, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा बोलो अपने बारे में, कोशिश करो बेटा, हैं? यस, ये हमेशा बोलता है, देखो तुम, अब बस कोशिश करना है, ये देखो आपको देखा ना ऋत्विक को, एवरी टाइम, तो हमेशा कोशिश करोगे ना बेटा तो होएगा, बाद में भी होएगा, लेकिन अभी कोशिश करो, क्या दिक्कत है बेटा, है ना। हाँ आ जाओ, जस्ट कम ऑन रौनक, फ्रॉम B23, यस बोल बेटा, जो तेरी मर्जी हो उस टॉपिक पे बोलना, जरूरी नहीं है तो इसी टॉपिक पे बोल ले, अपने बारे में 4 लाइन बोल दे, बात खत्म कर, 6 लाइन बोल दे, अपने बारे में तो बोल ही सकते हो, बोल बेटा।
Good evening, sir. Today I am telling about myself.
शाबाश
My
आर्यन,
name is
वेरी गुड, हाँ बोल बेटा।
my name is Ronak Berwa. I am 17 years old. I recently passed my 12th class with PCM. I have to become an engineer. I have preparing for JEE exam. I live in Jaipur with my parents. My favorite subject are mathematics. My hobby are listening music and painting. My strengths are hardworking. I am hardworking, self-motivated,
शाबाश,
and quickly learner.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड, अरे वाह, ऐसे बोला करो बस, कोशिश किया करो बेटा, शाबाश, वेरी गुड आर्यन, बहुत अच्छा किया बेटा, नाम लिखा तुमने। नाउ अन्नो, अन्नो,
So yeah, sir मैं बोल रही हूँ.
हाँ बेटा, आ जा बेटा।
Yes. Hello everyone. Now I am telling about what is the need of humans. So as you know that um, humans mainly want to. So not every human want, but I think of 80% human only want money.
देखो छोटे छोटे से बच्चे भी समझते हैं यार, है ये चौथी क्लास की बच्ची अब तो 5वीं में आ गई है, समझती है यार, मतलब देखो कितनी बातें समझती है यार, पर उस बड़े इंसान को समझ में नहीं आती ये बातें, बोल बेटा।
If you ask any human, not any asks that you have lied, he ever tell that he have not lied, and it is the largest lie what he has said that he has never lied.
खतरनाक चोरी है तुझ, बेटा वकील बनेगी तू, वकील, नामी वकील बनेगी तू, बोल आगे बोल।
But I know if I said that मतलब 80% humans only want money, so the topic is finished. So I am telling about other thing. Not reminded again. So as you know that humans generally like their state food. Like I am Rajasthani. I like dal bati very much.
Yeah. Hmm. Hmm.
I am only Rajasthani, but I also like South Indian food very much.
Oh. Ah.
Uh,
South Indian food. Ah.
so, and generally, the people, you imagine that a people is living in, सर हम नॉर्थ में रहते हैं ना?
हम वेस्ट में रहते हैं बेटा.
अच्छा वेस्ट में.
वेस्ट नॉर्थ कह सकते हो, बट वी आर लिविंग इन वेस्ट. दिस इज द वेस्ट पार्ट. राजस्थान इज द वेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ आवर कंट्री.
सर एक चीज बोलो.
हाँ.
आप कोई मेरे को. हाँ सर हाँ. तो so the people who live in Kerala, they think that we also don't have water to drink. But in which facilities we are living, it is not. सर कम से क्या बोलते हैं? कम को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलूं?
It is not enough. It is not less. Enough का
It
मतलब
is not.
पर्याप्त. It is not enough. It is not less. या it is not more. Like that. ऐसे अब क्या आपको बोलना है, बोलो?
It is not less from other countries. The facility of Rajasthan is not less like other countries. As you know, in Thar Desert there is I think the temperature 70 or 80 is there, but as you know,
No, not
after
70 or 80 is. This is too much. Actually, many times it has reached by 50. So 50 is a normal. 48, 47. This is a normal temperature for there. And 50 it has crossed. Rajasthan means the part of Rajasthan, some parts like Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Badmer, they have crossed sometimes a little more than 50. So yes, but carry on.
And the people of Kerala think that we only eat dal bati really. My father go to Chennai, and there are I think 5-6 friends of my father there, and they really think that we only eat dal bati really. And we haven't have to drink water. But you know that I think of everyone house there is a RO for filtering the water, because it is a common thing. So as you know that if you give best to a person for I think some years, he will remind you, and then he even don't call to you. सर मतलब ऐसे कैसे कह सकती हूँ मैं? कैसे मतलब ऐसे कैसे कह सकती हूँ? आगे से. हाँ सर, आगे से कॉल नहीं कर, ऐसे बताओ.
क्या?
सर ऐसे कैसे बोलूं जैसे कि वो आगे से कॉल भी नहीं करेगा?
He will not call himself. Yeah, he will not call from his end.
अच्छा सर. He
His
will not.
own भी कह सकते हैं. He will not call his own. Yes.
He will not call his own by his own. So at the last, I want to say, please live your life. Do not be. सर उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उलझने को.
उलझना, स्टिक, स्टक.
Do not stuck in others' lives. So that's it.
But you know, your speaking was very nice. I liked your speaking, I liked your thoughts, but that you were drifted from the point. What are the basic necessities of all living creatures, and what is the difference, or what are the other basic necessities for human being? But you talked very nice, but not on the topic. बच्चा, बी केयरफुल. बोला तो बहुत बढ़िया तुमने. तुम लेखक बनोगे, लिखा करो तुम अपनी कॉपी के अंदर. यू मस्ट राइट. कुछ ना कुछ अपने थॉट्स को लिखा करो. आप एक कॉपी बना लो और उसमें डेट डाल के यू मस्ट राइट योर थॉट्स इन अ नोटबुक. ठीक है ना? लिखा करो अच्छी बातें. कुछ आपकी कविताएं मन में आ रही हो तो उनको लिखा करो आप. कुछ आपके मन में समटाइम्स यू थिंक दैट यू मस्ट राइट, देन उठाओ अपनी कॉपी, वो स्पेशल कॉपी रखो, उसमें लिखो बातें. एक डायरी हो गई वो तुम्हारी तरीके से. वो लिखा करो बेटा, है ना? हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में, कैसे भी लिखा करो. ओके बेटा? हाँ बेटा, गुड, वेरी गुड. आगे से टॉपिक का ध्यान रखना है बेटा. ठीक है? नहीं तो नंबर नहीं मिलेंगे बेटा. नंबर तो टॉपिक के मिलेंगे ना, आपने क्वेश्चन का आंसर सही लिखा है नहीं लिखा. सो नाउ आर्यन, कम ऑन बेटा, शाबाश. घबराना नहीं है बेटा, बस बोलो अच्छे से. इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ते हो तुम तो थोड़ा सा बोलो अपने बारे में. शाबाश बेटा.
My name is Aryan and I study in class 7. I live in Jaipur with my parents and my hobby want to make kabaddi player.
बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत.
And my father's work PSO.
गौरव, घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल मत घबराओ. बोलो आप जितना बोल सकते हो. जितनी इच्छा है उतना बोलो. जब मन में नहीं हो तो मत बोलना. कहना दैट्स इट. घबराओ बिल्कुल मत. कोशिश करो बेटा. शाबाश. अपने स्कूल के बारे में बताओ. कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हो? कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो?
My school name is Jayapura Vidyalaya.
शाबाश.
It is on.
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश. बोलो.
And I'm learning English to Ramban sir.
शाबाश. कोई बात नहीं, बस ऐसे कोशिश किया करो. सही गलत हम देखेंगे. ठीक है? बस जब भी मौका मिले बोला करो. सही गलत क्या है वो हम देखेंगे. आप नहीं देखना बेटा, है ना? आपको तो हम कह रहे हैं वो करना है बस. यस, एनीवन एल्स? हाँ भाई आदित्य, आजा बेटा, तू भी बोल ले थोड़ा सा. बोल. सही गलत की चिंता मत कर. बोल, आजा. शाबाश. आजा बच्चा. हाँ बेटा, अपना नाम बता, पिताजी का नाम बता, मम्मी का नाम बता. हाँ बोल.
तो मैं क्लास लीव कर सकता हूँ?
बस हम सभी लीव कर रहे हैं 2 मिनट में. बोल बेटा बोल.
तो
इसको सुन ले, तुम्हारी क्लास का ये. ओके आर्यन, यू मे लीव. यस, यू मे लीव आर्यन. यस, कम ऑन. आदित्य बोल बेटा.
My name is Aditya. I read in class 7.
शाबाश. बोल, घबराए मत.
I live in Jaipur.
वेरी गुड. हाँ.
My favorite game, my favorite play, football.
हाँ, बोलता जा, घबराए मत. हाँ.
My father name is Jogendra Bairwa. My mother name is Seema Devi. My sister name Priya Kumari. My brother name Divanshu Kumar.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा. बोल, घबराए मत. बोल, सही गलत मत सोच, तू बोल बस. हाँ. हाँ. शाबाश, वेरी गुड. हुआ ना? जैसे ऐसे कोशिश करनी है बस बेटा, और कुछ नहीं करना है ना. सही गलत नहीं देखना है, तुमने बोलना है बस. बात खत्म. ठीक कर लेंगे हम सब कुछ अपनी. चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच.